Good day po teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo makaka-receive ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning materials. So ngayon po, ang question po natin ay makukuha pa ba ang PBB 2022 at kailan? So, nung nakaraan pong araw ay meron pong meeting or dialogue ang TDC, ang Teachers Dignity Coalition at ang DBM or Department of Budget and Management. At ito po ang kanila na pag-usapan. So, share po natin sa inyo. So, una po is, syempre, makakuha po ang ating PBB. So, that's a good news. Pero, ang release na po ay depende po sa submission ng DepEd regions. Kung mabilis po yung pag-submit is, ibig sabihin po, mabilis din po na mababalidate and ma-release po yung budget for our PBB 2022. So, ano pa po yung mga napag-usapan sa kanilang dialogue? So, una po is, more than 1 million DepEd personnel are eligible for PBB 2022. So, that's a lot. So, napakarami po natin dito po sa DepEd na eligible po for PBB 2022. So, possible po na yan po yung reason why medyo matagal yung pag-validate ng ating PBB. Pangalawa po is, PBB for 2022 and 2023 is confirmed. So, another good news po yan. With the process for 2024, expected to be streamlined in accordance with EO61. So, yung EO61 po yan po yung pinalabas ng ating mahal na presidente na isususpend po yung ating RPMS para po ma-streamline po, para po mapabilis yung proseso ng pag-validate po ng ating mga PBB. So, sure po na meron pong PBB 2022 and 2023. Next po is the budget for PBB for the fiscal year 2022 and 2023 is intact and set to be released. So, meron pong budget for our PBB 2022 and for our PBB 2023. So, meron pa po tayong PBB 2023. So, yan po yung according po sa dialogue between TDC and DBM or Department of Budget and Management. Next is, ano bang cause? Bakit po masyadong matagal yung ating PBB? So, delays in DepEd are caused by many discrepancies. Ano po ito? Such as double entries in names or missing names in the list. DepEd should regularly update their personal data. So, dapat po ay talagang ina-update po ng DepEd yung kanilang list para po maiwasan po yung double entries and missing names sa list para po maiwasan tong mga discrepancy na nagkukos po ng delay sa ating mga benefits. Next po is, ito po, medyo hindi magandang balita. The DBM returns submissions of 8 regions. Ano po itong mga to? We have NCR, Region 1, Region 2, Region 3, Region 4A, Region 4B, 5, and 6 for re-evaluation due to discrepancies or errors. Forms submitted by these regions were returned on June 8, 2024 and have not yet been resubmitted for revalidation. So, ito pong mga regions na to ay medyo lalo pang delay yung kanilang mga papers, no? Kasi nga meron daw pong mga errors or discrepancies. So, regards na lang po sa itong mga regions na nabanggit po natin. Next po is, evaluated documents will receive their SARO for PBB. So, after po ma-validate ng ating DBM and ng ating PBB Secretariat is magkakaroon na po ng SARO from DBM yung ating PBB. With the first to be accomplished, receiving it first. Kung sino po yung mauna makatapos ng validations, maayos yung mga errors and discrepancies, ay siya po mga unang makakatanggap ng PBB. So, there is a need to address the discrepancies between DBM and DepEd. So, ito po yung mga points na kanilang dapat daw tutukan. And the DBM is cooperating to expedite the process and avoid repeated submissions. So, para mapabilis na po yung proseso. DepEd frequently encounters issues, possibly due to the large number of personnel according to the DBM. So, given na po yan na marami talaga pong DepEd personnel, kaya lang, syempre, sa sobrang tagal and medyo tayo po ay frustrated and medyo malungkot kasi nga po medyo matagal na po itong PBB 2022. So sana maayos na po yung mga problems, yung mga errors and discrepancies para mas mapabilis na po yung proseso ng ating pag-release ng ating PBB. And lastly, the TDC insists that the RPMS PBB scheme is flawed and will naturally result in delays despite teachers having submitted all necessary requirements on time. So, ang good news po dito ay meron po tayong PBB 2022 na matanggap, and also next year PBB 2023 na atin pong aayusin din. So, ang tanong na lang po is kailan po matanggap itong mga benefits na to. So, let's just wait and tiwala lang po, trust the process, and sana mas maaga po ma-receive po natin yung ating PBB. So, yun lang po teachers, and please subscribe po for the latest updates sa ating DepEd and for free learning materials. So, yun lang po at maraming salamat.